I would like to have a look at something now which I did not really have the chance to have a look at so far, and that's our new I/O terminals, the ED series. It's brand new for this show, and I'm really daring to know what's so special. Antonia, can you maybe give me a very short recap of our new ED terminal series?
Sure. Yeah, hello Felix. So what Michael already told us yesterday is that we invented the new ED series. So ED stands for EtherCAT Direct Push-In.
Okay.
So the wiring will be much easier. You don't need any tool for the wiring.
Yeah.
And what's also really important is that we don't discontinue anything, so you can use EL and ED in one system.
Yeah, that's something which we, I think, almost never did, that we discontinued any I/O terminal. And now we have this new form factor, new functionalities. What else have we not mentioned so far?
Yeah, what's also new is a small data matrix code on every terminal. So some of you might know them from our MX system. We also integrated that on our MX modules. This one is for diagnostics. So you need an EtherCAT diagnostic dongle in your system, and the
It's a Bluetooth connection, basically, which you had to.
Right, yeah. And the back-off diagnostic app, and with the app you can connect to your EtherCAT network, and then you can see the live data from your terminals in the app, for example, temperature, current, voltage. And what's also quite cool is that we integrated a scope function, so you can put some values from your terminals in a small scope. And so for that, even non-technicians can do a really easy diagnostic without using a multimeter.
I can only imagine that it really helps also on the commissioning side. If you have a gauge, of, for example, like a load cell, and you press on the load cell with your left hand, and then you can have your phone in the right hand, scan the data matrix code, and then you know what's the result of your action. You see if it's calibrated or not.
Right.
So I think that's a very cool functionality. Super practical developments. I think most of our customers, or all of our customers, will get it immediately. But once they get it, of course, one question remains: when is it available and what does it cost?
Yeah, so about the product price, our ED terminals are cost optimized. Not even the product price, but even more because of the savings you can do during the wiring and the diagnostics. So you save a lot of time and therefore a lot of money. And about the availability, our product management was very busy before the fair, so first ED terminals are available on stock right now.
Oh, that's very, very good. So, new edition, nothing's discontinued, easy functionality, easy diagnosis, and also first things already available. Thank you, Antonia.